Hello, mathematicians. In today's lesson, we use sine, cosine, and tangent to solve for missing sides. This is lesson 5.2. So if you are given this problem, in which you are asked to solve for this side length BC, solve for x, and all you have is one side length, an acute angle of a right triangle, we are going to use our trigonometric ratios. Step 1. Label the sides using the reference angle. We're going to use this angle, 17 degrees. So we will label our sides. AC is across from 17 degrees, so it is our opposite. 10 is next to 17 degrees, so it is our adjacent. And X is our hypotenuse, as it is across from the right angle. Step 2. Which trig ratio will you use? Sine, cosine, or tangent? Notice what sides we have. We have the adjacent, and we're looking for the hypotenuse. So we are going to choose the trig ratio that uses adjacent and hypotenuse. Which trig ratio uses adjacent and hypotenuse? Cosine. So now we will set up our equation. Step 3. Set up the equation. Cosine 17, the angle measure, equals 10 adjacent over x, hypotenuse. Make sure this order is correct based on our knowledge of SOHCAHTOA, adjacent over hypotenuse. Step 4, solve for x. X is in the denominator. So first, we need to multiply both sides by x. That cancels this out, and now it's here. Next up, to get x by itself, the inverse of multiplying by cosine of 17 is dividing. That will cancel that out. So you have x equals 10 divided by cosine of 17. This is what you're going to put in your calculator. And you get the answer, 10.46. That seems about right. So we're good. Now notice it's important for us to remember that whenever we have to use a calculator in trigonometry, we have it set to degree mode, not radians. So in Desmos, you can set it to degree mode by clicking the toolbar over here and setting it to degrees. In Google, make sure that you either click degrees or you type in degrees into your Chrome bar. All right, so now we know how to solve. Label the sides, decide sine, cosine, or tangent, set up your equation, and solve for x. Thank you for listening.